Okay, here we are, folks, back at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. I'm with Steve, and we've got this beautiful wainscoted wall. We started working on that, how to put those fine moldings in there, different looks and such, and now it's time for the floor. So I've got these two pieces of wood here. What do I do with these?
Okay, those are our little standoff block.
Where should I put them?
Okay, we're gonna put one tight against the wall down by me, and we're gonna put it on the edge, so we're only 3/4 inch.
There you go. Down here too?
Right, perfect.
Okay, so that gives us space for what, more molding or?
Yeah, the moldings will fit there, but more importantly with hardwood floor, you leave grow room or expansion room.
When it gets moved?
So we'll remove those blocks after we get our first line put down.
Where's the first piece? So how many different kinds of fine hardwoods do you have for flooring?
Oh, in the hardwoods, we have, upwards 10, 12 of the different hardwoods, some more suitable for flooring.
What kind is this?
This is select grade hickory. I'm gonna make a little noise, okay?
Please.
Because we don't have room for
A real nailer.
a flooring nailer at this point, we have to use this 15 gauge.
Ooh, so you toenail it too.
Yeah,
Right? See, I keep my hands away from the action.
okay. So we can finish that piece out. This piece right here,
Okay.
we'll go down there.
Why did we put the paper in here?
Paper acts as a moisture barrier. It quiets the floor from wood on wood squeaks.
Okay, what's next?
Well, we're gonna, because we have a 3/4 inch space there for the expansion, we're gonna use a baseboard followed by a chute.
So do we take these things out now?
Take the blocks out. Here you go, sir.
I can't believe that this whole wall was just a plain old plaster wall when we started.
Okay, you do not want to leave that fold down in behind the flooring. So if you hold it up 1/16 of an inch or so,
Okay.
and when nailing a shoe mold, you don't nail it to the floor, you nail it horizontally into the baseboard. That allows that floor to slide back and forth underneath.
So, I mean, two of the big tips here to me are moving floor, get rid of the squeaks, and keep the moisture out. What really finishes off is this beautiful floor, and wasn't that difficult to do. I mean, we're talking about do-it-yourself kind of stuff. You could do this.
This 3-inch hickory is a beautiful floor, select grade. It complements painted wall surfaces as well as natural wood wall surfaces, but a very good floor. We're selling a ton of it, and anything we covered today, Carpentry 101.